Hey ladies and gentlemen, we're back live with our second pack opening of the first 2025 Resurgence Blaster. We still have one more of those, two of the Resurgence Megas, two Phoenix Megas, two Topps Chrome Baseball Blaster, and one Select left. So hopefully these two heat up. The last two was pretty good. We hit the Genty rookie one on a nice insert, and then we hit a St. Brown insert. So let's see what we can get now. Let's see. Ooh, Tony Pollard, Geno Smith. Ooh, what is this? Travis Hunter rookie. Oh wow, Voltac. Ooh, that's another common insert, but that's a cool looking one. Wow, rookie. And then rookie Caleb Johnson. So wow, that one was pretty good. Not numbered or nothing. Nope. All right, let's see. Ooh, that's a cool looking card. Lamar Jackson base. Jonathan Taylor. Ooh, and what is this? Mason Taylor rookie. Is it numbered? Nope, not a numbered one, but a nice design on the rookie. And then Mason Taylor rookie. So not too bad. A few rookies. We got that nice Travis Hunter common rookie insert, but that was pretty good. Those were two good packs as well. Hell yeah. See everyone on the next one.